Hello friends, welcome to Metrology YouTube channel. Friends, in previous video we have discussed about 2-wire method and 3-wire method for find out effective diameter, right? But the question is, what is the best wire size, right? So it is very important thing. So what should be the best wire size? So directly come to the topic. A best wire size at point C and D. You can see here this portion is called the flank portion, right? So the best wire size at point C and D, the wire touching the flank. It means this wire, it should be the touching the flank of thread lies on the pitch line. You can see this is the pitch line, right? So this point, it's like same as pitch line, right? Also, OC and OD are perpendicular to CG. OC and OD are perpendicular to CG. Okay. So here you can see this is a perpendicular, right? And CD at a point C and D, right? Now here some calculations is given by this figure. Angle OGD is equal to theta by 2, okay, and angle ODG is equal to 90. ODG is equal to 90, right? And angle AOD, or we can say GOD is equal to 90 minus theta by 2. Okay, so this is 90, this is theta by 2. So this remaining is 90 minus theta by 2. Now consider OAD. So here this is OAD. OAD sin 90 minus theta by 2 is equal to AD upon OD. Okay, from this triangle AD upon OD. So sin 90 minus theta by 2, that is cos theta by 2, AD upon OD. Okay, so we can write OD is equal to AD upon cos theta by 2. So AD into sec theta by 2. Now OD is equal to OC. If you have seen the figure, it is radius R. It means dB by 2. And what is dB? It is the best wire diameter. And also, if you have seen the figure, AD is equal to P by 4, in which P is equal to the pitch of the thread. What is P? It is the pitch of the thread. Now substituting this value in equation 1, it means this equation. So dB by 2 is equal to AD, that means P by 4 sec theta by 2. Okay, now dB is equal to P by 2 sec theta by 2. So this is our best diameter, or we can say best wire diameter. Now again, as we have seen, metric thread we have to consider 60 and Whitworth thread we have to consider 55. So dB for metric thread it should be 0.5773 P, and for dB for Whitworth thread it should be 0.5636 P, right? So this is theory regarding the best wire size. Friends, if you like this video, then press like button, share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.